We are here today to witness and celebrate the joining of Max and Katie in marriage and to help launch them on their journey together.
Dear Max, you've been my partner for nearly 7 years now. It feels like I've known you for ages. Oh man.
Katie, I remember the first time I made you laugh by, of all things, assigning a ridiculous name to a program variable. And I wondered to myself, who is this woman that thinks I'm funny? Where has she been my whole life?
Katie was talking all about her friend, Max, who was her tutor in computer science. I quickly figured out that she didn't consider him just a friend. Katie came up to me with this tall, poofy-haired, lumberjack-looking man and says, "Clara, this is the Max," and then walked away. Fast forward through their budding romance, and I have experienced by far my favorite phase of Katie, her being in love with Max.
Katie and I had a system in place. We were party buddies. It was an unspoken rule that Katie and I lived by for years. But then her engagement party came. I realized on that day in my 22 years of life, I couldn't be Katie's party buddy anymore. Katie had grown up and found her new party buddy, Max. And I know for a fact there's no better party buddy for Katie than Max Ruttenberg. Max, I don't need to tell you to take care of my sister because I know you will. You have her heart and know exactly what to do with it. As her original party buddy passing off the baton, I can say that you have an infinite amount of amazing things to look forward to with her. Just keep making her as happy as she has made me all these years.
And I've now learned that Max is dating a girl named Katie. My wife Lillian and I and Max and Katie are all in New York one weekend, and we make plans to meet up at a bar in Williamsburg. I am just so impressed with how lovely, joyful you are, and how Max just glows with this incredible new confidence as he walks in with you. Katie is the one who went and infused my brother with such joy, with such love, that he can now dance like this. They can dance like a lunatic and not give a damn what anyone thinks. Max, it's been a privilege to be your older brother, and I'm overjoyed that you and Katie have found each other.
I remember you told me one night, walking up Montclair Avenue, that when we were together, you felt at peace. In creating these vows, it's difficult to distill everything that makes you my perfect husband. All those tiny, unremarkable moments are extraordinary with you. I vow to stay curious, to never stop growing or learning in our life together. You have always treated me as your equal, even if the world doesn't always operate that way. You make me feel like no matter the direction, I will succeed, and I can never thank you enough for that. I vow to wake up every day remembering how lucky I am to love you and to never take our marriage for granted. I vow to show our children how much I respect and adore you. And above all, I vow to always love you and remind you how amazing you truly are. Max Ruttenberg, you're the most exquisite person to walk this earth, and it is a privilege to love you and be your wife.
Your genuinely warm demeanor, which can thaw even the coldest of people, masks a remarkable drive. I've never in my life known anyone as relentlessly hardworking as you are. I've come to learn that this drive of yours is dwarfed only by your compassion for people you love. You love me not for what I might do, but for who I already was. I cannot know what life has in store for us, but I do know this. Whatever it might be, I want to face the entirety of it at your side. There is no person I would rather be than your husband. I vow to brave every storm with you, to hold you when you need comfort, to support you when you need encouragement, and to adore you all times in between. To your happiness, my heart and my mind will always be open. I love you, Katie. I can hardly wait to embark on this life with you and, hand in hand, to find the stars.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Max, you may now kiss your bride.